So what is Microsoft Teams? Microsoft Teams is a platform that brings together chat, video meetings, file storage, and app integration into a single hub. It is designed to enhance communication, collaboration, and organization, whether you're a student, you're working, you have a company, or maybe you have a business. Yeah, so let's get started with Teams. I'll be sharing my screen now. So this is my Teams. Are you guys seeing my screen?
No.
Really? Okay, I see it now.
Okay. Yes.
All right. So this is Microsoft Teams, and this is how the interface looks like. Yeah. So this is the navigation bar for Microsoft Teams. So the name of the platform is called Teams. Yeah. So we're going to start with Teams. Exactly. So as you can see, I have, these are my themes. This is my community hub, and then community. And then what if you as a person, or you as an organization, you want to create, you as a person and organization, you want to create your own team. You come here, and then you you can tap here and be like, I want to create my team. So you put your team name, description. Let's say the team name should be Teams. Then you talk about, this description will be like what the teams, like what you guys are going to do on the platform. So you just put the description and then you create it. So maybe you want to join a team with a code, like more like a private team. You come here and then you input the code. Maybe the admin of the team would give you a code that you put here, and then you input the code. And so and when you input the code, you can join the team. So back to creating team. Yes, if you want to create a team that is going to be private, or maybe a team that is going to be public, you can tap on private, or then you tap on public, and then you tap on public. So back to my team here. So for this place, this is assignments. Sorry, network is like very, very slow. Okay, so if it's like in a class settings, or maybe for in your team, there's a kind of like as an assignment, you can come here to put those assignments that your team members can do or solve or whatever. So here is, it's for calendar. You can use this feature to schedule a new meeting, or to join a meeting, that an already existing meeting with the ID number, identification number. Yes, and you can also use this calendar page to like you can use this calendar page to arrange your day. Maybe you have like to-do list or something. You can come and be like, oh, today Monday, I want to do so and so. You put it on the calendar here. Yes, like tomorrow is Wednesday, Thursday. You can tap Thursday on the calendar, and then you add a title of what you want to do tomorrow, Thursday. Then maybe it's a meeting, and then you add the attendees, people you want to attend your meeting, and then the dates, the time, and then you add a channel. Yes, maybe you want people from a particular channel to attend the meeting. You add the channel, then you add the location. Is it going to be online or is it going to be offline? Yeah, so if it's online, you turn on this button, but if it's offline, you turn it off. And then you can put the details of the meeting, and then you can set the meeting to record automatically. So now we want to move to Aurora. So Aurora is like a bot that works on Microsoft Teams. Yes. So you can ask Aurora like any question like relating to Microsoft Teams, and Aurora will like tell you what to do. She will help you, just like some bots on other social media platforms. Yes, Aurora is like the one for Microsoft Teams. You can talk to it, and it will tell you what Microsoft Teams can do for you. Exactly. So you can also talk to it. You can tell Aurora about your problems too, and it will also help you and talk to you and advise you. Yeah. Um, so this place now, the feature call. This is for calls. Maybe you want to call people. You want to call maybe a particular person on your team. You want to call a particular person on your team. You can come here and put the person's name, the person's team's name, and then call the person. It could be video call, it could be an audio call. You call the person, and then you have your contacts here. Yes, you can add contacts too. Yes, you can add contact. If you want to add contact, you can add by typing the person's name on Teams, or you can type the person's number. So now we want to come to files. Yes, files is like a very good feature of Teams. Yes, on this file section of Teams, maybe you've created your Teams. Yes, you created your Teams, and then you want to share. You want to drop files for your team members to see that would be separate from the Teams group. Yes, and this file will also be available to the person, even when the person is not like in the Teams part of Teams, like even when the person is not on the Teams part of Teams. So the person can come to this file section and then go to home. The person's recent files can be here, would be here. Any file you've accessed through Teams will be here. All your files you've accessed through Teams will be here. Yes. So if you want to like add files to your OneDrive, OneDrive is like a platform for keeping files. Yes, it's owned by Microsoft. So if you want to add like a file now, yes, so you want to add a file to your OneDrive, you can come here and then click on new. And OneDrive is like an online, yes, it's online too. So you come here and then tap on new to add a new file, or you can upload a file from your laptop down to Teams. You can sync a file, or you can open it in OneDrive. Yes, and if you're using a Windows system, we all know that OneDrive is like in every Windows laptop. Exactly, in every Windows laptop. So so here, this place, you can access shared files, like files that have been shared to you. Yes, you can access them here. Then files you've downloaded, you can also access them here. Exactly. So now if you want to add like a cloud storage to your files, like from a cloud storage, you can tap on this button and then add it. Let me tap on it. So if you have a cloud storage that is not OneDrive, you can come here and then add cloud storage to access your files on that cloud storage on Microsoft Teams. So here we have apps. Yeah, so apps is we have apps. Yes, apps is like one of the feature that helps to make workflows very easy on Microsoft Teams. Like here, you can put in any type of app you want. If you want to include Canva, maybe an app that is very popular in your organization, so you guys can maybe collaborate here on Microsoft Teams with this app. you can actually add Canva, SharePoint, you can add SharePoint, and everybody will have access to this app. Like if it's on your team, yes, everybody will have access to it. You guys can work together on this app on Microsoft Teams. Exactly. So even if it's Microsoft Word, if it's Microsoft Word app or Microsoft PowerPoint or any Microsoft app or any app at all that your organization uses, you can like add it to your teams, yes, and you and your workmates can collaborate on the app on Microsoft Teams, yes. So maybe you have a question and maybe you want to you don't understand Microsoft Teams and maybe you need answers to your question, you can come here and then ask for help. You can come here and ask for help. So here we have different types of apps. These are the apps here. So we have Tasks by Planner, and then we have OneNote, we have EduClass Notebook, Wiki. All these apps can work on Microsoft Teams. We also have Whiteboard. Yes, it can also work on Microsoft Teams. We have Power Apps, we have Excel, Power Automate, we have PowerPoint, Visio, Viva Connection, and Microsoft Word. Yes, and if you want to add more apps, yes, you can also add through this button or to get more apps. Yeah. So this is activity. Yeah, activity is more like your notifications, more like notifications feature on Microsoft Teams. So whenever there's a notification or something, maybe you were mentioned in your Teams workplace, you can come here and then you just tap on it and it opens. You tap on it and then it opens. So here you can just access whatever thing your teams you guys are talking about. You can access it here. If you want to start a new conversation, you can actually start a new conversation. Yeah, so if you want to filter it, maybe you just want conversations that you have not read, you can tap on this button here and then you filter it. Exactly. I tap on this button and then filter it. You can mark all as read and then you can set your notifications. Yes, you can set your notifications. Yes, so this aspect called chats is you can chat with anybody here. Yes, you can chat with anybody here. Personal chats for here. Personal chats for here. Yeah. So that's all for Microsoft Teams.